Hey guys, it's Nancy Kowalik again, your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Nancy Kowalik Group here in Mullica Hill. And we've got buyers who need your home or someone you know. So I'm going to describe them to you and you're going to see if we can make a match. And listen, this is truly about making a match. If you want to list your home, have me come talk to you about selling it, of course, reach out. But if you're interested to see if one of these folks would be interested in purchasing your home, give me a call. It's always confidential, and I'd love to have that conversation. So here's buyer number one. They're looking for 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 bath. They're open to different locations, but really want to be in Gloucester County. They'd like some land and neighbors, not too close, right? So a little space. They're willing to do home improvements, so the house does not have to be ready. $375 to $425 is their price point. Again, they're approved at 20% down. Conventional loan, and they are looking for your home. So let's make a match. Give me a call at 856-371-8608. Buyer number two is looking for 4+ bedrooms, 2+ bathrooms, Marlton and surrounding areas. So they're looking for a colonial style preferably, but they're open to other options and even the right layout in a ranch style home. Must have a basement, fenced yard, or a yard that can be fenced in. And they want a home to grow into. They're looking to spend between $550,000 and $650,000. Again, they're approved at 20% down, conventional loan. They just need a home to make their dream a reality. So give me a call and let's make that match. I look forward to hearing from you. 856-371-8608. Make it a great day.